Welcome back to my channel. Finally doing a vlog. Look at my hair. It's growing out hella. But I just pulled up to my mom's. Today is not my brother's birthday, but we are actually celebrating his birthday today. What's today? Today's the 29th. His birthday is actually tomorrow. So yeah, happy birthday, Johnny. You are 23. And call him real quick. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for like one of my brothers to answer the phone. Hey, hello. What are you guys doing? Are you guys coming outside?
Some real yard shit coming on like this. No one girl can satisfy me. Me don't know one girl can deny me. Me no see me check shiny but white free. Me a controller, young soldier.
One sober. Oh, mom. Hey, what's up? Hello.
Happy New Year!
Oh, happy New Year, mom. What's up?
Nothing. I got out. I just say everybody Happy New Year.
I'm at your house.
What are you playing over there?
Nah, I just pulled up.
You still play my electric?
No. Happy birthday!
Weak.
And he dresses like this.
Exactly.
But then he wears a suit, so it doesn't make any sense. Hey, why don't you wear a nice watch?
What? The money don't make the man make the money.
Starbucks! Yeah!
Bro,
What?
it's not even funny.
Johnny's hella sad because it's his birthday and it's raining. Yeah, it's a sad, gloomy day. You guys, look at this guy. It's his birthday and he's like, sleeping! WTF. And I just bought him Starbucks. Wasting my money? Wasting my money. Bro,
I'll tell you right now, it's 1:45.
if you wanted to fucking sleep, you should have stayed home.
I'll tell you right now, it's 1:45.
It's going on YouTube, bro. You better have the time of your life. Because this is how you're looking. You're looking sad AF.
Stop playing, niggas.
I mean, you 30 or something? How old are you turning?
Yeah, so it's...
Alright. Got my nails done. Same color as always. So some girl that was just sitting right next to me getting her nails done, she got done, what, like 5 minutes before me? How's she gonna hit a pole? Like right here? That sucks. She's like a little girl. She's, what? She's like in her teens. That sucks. Her and her little friends went and got their nails done and they hit a pole. That sucks. Alright, gonna get going.